Earth's formation. By T. Pranav. $5 billion years ago. Our Earth was not formed in this period. Just the Sun, a newborn star, surrounded with dust. 4.5 billion years ago. In this period, gravity pulled the space dust together to form the Earth. After its formation, the Earth was full of endless pools of lava and molten rock. It contained only carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. The surface temperature reached 4,500 degrees. 4 billion years ago. Our Earth was hit by a planet called Theia in this period. After that, the debris of our planet and the planet Theia was thrown into space. Over a course of 1,000 years, gravity pulls to form a ring system around our Earth. From this, our moon formed. The moon was just 14,000 kilometers away from Earth, instead of a quarter of a million kilometers. $3.5 billion years ago. Our Earth was spinning very fast in this period. An entire day was just only 6 hours. In this time, meteorites were hitting the Earth. Inside these meteorites, there were water. These meteorites were hitting the Earth for 20 million years. Of this, our Earth got water. Because of our moon so close, there were big cyclones in our planet. As the moon moves further away, the cyclones calm down. 3 billion years ago. Islands were forming due to volcanic eruptions. These volcanoes pumped trillions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. In the same time, another set of meteorites were hitting the Earth. The meteorites fell into the ocean and made underwater chimneys. In these chimneys, microscopical animals were formed. They were the first living things. 2.9 billion years ago. In the shallow waters, there were rock-like plants that made food through photosynthesis. This pumped oxygen in ocean. Also, the islands were colliding each other because of the heat under the Earth. 2.5 billion years ago. Our planet turned into a snowball or a global ice age. Our Earth was covered with 10,000 feet thick ice. Even the sunlight was reflected away. However, after 100 million to 200 million years, the ice melted because of volcanic eruptions. As the ice melts, hydrogen peroxide, which is rich in oxygen, was released. $2 billion years ago. In the ocean, there are now some species of fishes, monsters, plants because of the abundance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in water. In this time, a supercontinent called Rogenia was formed. 1 billion years ago. Plants started growing on the surface of the earth. In the same time, animals in the ocean started crawling onto the surface. After another 1 million years, oxygen level raised very much that all animals on the surface were large. Now a new supercontinent was formed called Pangaea. $900 million years ago. The plants on the surface of the earth died because temperature differences. In the same time, lizards became big and some were herbivores and some were carnivores. The herbivores ate whatever plants they saw and the carnivores ate whatever they want. Suddenly, the temperature raised more and both of the species of lizards died and the fishes also died. 250 million years ago. In this period, dinosaurs roamed the planet. Also, new species of fishes similar to ones in the modern world was living in this time. Pangaea was separated into many continents. $66 million years ago. An asteroid called Chicxulub, about 10 kilometers in length, hit the Earth, wiping out the dinosaurs and the fishes. But some rat species survived. Two million years ago, monkeys started to walk with two legs, and in the same time, India collided with the rest of Asia and forming the Himalayas. Now an entire day lasts 24 hours, and also in this period all the continents that we know were formed. 1 million years ago, human history started. Thank you.